Hi guys, my name is Mark Anthony and welcome to another money making video. Just before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell where you'll be informed as soon as I make another money making video. These are normally probably about 2 or 3 times a week, so if you're interested in money making systems online, money making strategies, then you're in the right place. For this video, a little bit of fun at the same time as losing weight, really. This healthy wage will actually pay you to lose weight. So if you have gained a few pounds in the last 12 months during the pandemic, then this may be for you. It's quite an unusual way, really, to lose weight. But the problem with losing weight is you don't really have much of a motivation. And obviously sometimes it's not fun at all, it's more of a chore. But Healthy Wagey will allow you to basically put a bet on, and you put how much weight you want to lose in the prize calculator. Will give you a prize offer according to all the stats that you put in. And we'll go through this in just 1 second. But it's an amazing thing. It's been going since 2009, and it's got an A+ rating on the Better Business Bureau, and it's featured on many national television programs. So let's have a look at Healthy Wage. You have a few options here. You can basically do this on your own. You can calculate your price, or you can do it as part of a corporate challenge with some of your work friends, or you can just join a team. The teams are teams of 5, so you can actually join a team and be a team member if you prefer not to do this on your own. So if you prefer to get motivated by being part of a team, you can do this. Or if you want to be motivated to lose weight as part of a company, then you can choose this option. But just for this video, let's presume that me, Mark Anthony, wants to lose weight, so we can just go to calculate prize, and it takes you to this page where we can put in some information. The top prize of this actually is $10,000, but we'll just play around with this calculator now just to see. So yeah, let's just say I want to lose £30. Maybe I can actually afford to lose more than that, but let's bring it down to let's say £30 over 12 months, and I'm going to bet $50 a month on this. That's my bet. So over 12 months, I'm going to bet overall is $600. So go to step 2. And there it'll basically tells you the price. If I invest $50 over 12 months, that's $600. And the prize they're going to pay me is $865. So I would actually profit $265 just for losing weight, which is a great incentive. But one of the questions that a lot of people ask is, how can they afford to pay you this $265 profit? And the reason that is because this Healthy Wage is financially supported by insurers, health systems, hospitals, food companies and the government. And it's available to most countries, USA, Europe, UK. And they've paid out, well, looks like $95,000 in the last 30 days. Does that read? So if you're interested in losing weight, I think we could all generally lose a little bit of weight, then have a look at Healthy Wage, where you can kill 2 birds with 1 stone, as it were. You can lose weight and make some money at the same time. The drawback, obviously, is if you don't lose the weight and your weight is calculated through the app, and then you take a photograph of yourself, so it's a before and after, and that will tell them basically if you've actually lost the weight or not. Well, there's some amazing stories. There's like testimonials, really. So you can see what other people have made. Kristin won $4,000. Valerie, $1,000. Darshell, $2,000. Danielle, over $1,000. Anastasia, she's won $10,000 because she's lost 41 pounds. Blake, 4,600. So you can see a lot of people are winning a lot of money. But the risk is you have to keep to the diet and lose weight. And the actual testimony will be through the actual Healthy Wage app for the weigh-ins and everything at the end. They pay out by cheque and PayPal, normally within 3 days. So if you're feeling like you like to gamble and you want some motivation to losing weight, then and obviously hopefully make some money if you win the bet, then have a look at healthywage.com. And that's it, just a quick one, a quick video for today about making money and losing weight. A beautiful combination. So that's it. So please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to be notified of future money making videos I'll be doing. 2 or 3 a week I normally do. But in the meantime, if you're interested in affiliate marketing, which is basically what I do most of my time, and I focus on high ticket affiliate marketing, where I can make $1,000 commission for every high ticket offer that I can sell. So if you're interested in that, I've actually done a free course for high ticket affiliate marketing, and the link is in the description. It's about 90 minutes long, 4 videos, and it will take you all the way through. So it's obviously 100% free. Have a look at that free course if you're interested in high ticket affiliate marketing and making $1,000 commissions. But that's it for me today. I'll see you very, very soon. Just a quick video today, but I'll see you very, very soon for the next money making video. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you next time.